In this project, we are going to see fake product identification system. Okay, there are multiple ways to identify a fake product with the help of a machine learning system and a deep learning system. Here we are using the fake product for each and every product. An NFC code and a QR code will be generated. Okay, NFC tag is attached to that. When the seller, user or seller, okay, scans the particular user scans the particular QR code or the NFC tag. Okay, then he will get that the product is original or not. Okay, like this way we are going to identify with the help of Android, okay, and Python Flask framework, and we are using for web services. We are using blockchain, okay, with the help of blockchain Java plus Cassandra database. Okay, first we'll see um, almost we had some about what is the project. Okay, here how it goes. Okay, there are two three users. Admin from web user is there. Okay, and Android users are there. Okay, first we will see about the database. Okay, here Cassandra, this is the server. Okay, Cassandra server. Okay, it is running in the IP address 127.0.1, and another is the Cassandra SQL SH where we can execute the commands. Okay, SQL SH will be connected to the Cassandra. Here you can see you can use the project name. Okay, and after that we enter into the project name, we can select the tables, display the tables, and those things. Okay, everything can be done. Here Cassandra is a blockchain database. It will be stored in the format of nodes. Okay, and it has multiple clusters. Okay, here we are using single cluster, multiple clusters can be configured. Okay, for blockchain. Okay, here if you go to first we will see the web application. Okay, web application, as like we saw earlier. Here the web application is running, okay, in the Flask framework as like the other projects. Okay, here it is running over here. Okay, the command to execute the Flask framework, okay, is here. Okay, we need to copy the commands. Okay, or else and we can execute the project. Okay, over here we shut down, take this one. Okay, go here, copy this one and paste it over here. Okay, it also connects with Flask framework to database Cassandra. Okay, I will show the code over here. Okay, here if you see at the top, it will be the database is a fake product identification BC. It connects to the cluster, and after that this all belongs to Cassandra database. Okay, Cassandra also stores the data in the format of um, um, tables. Okay, tables and columns, but in backend it will be having as a node formation. Okay, um, here Cassandra, what happens now, we can go to the Cassandra path of the Cassandra, and we can have Cassandra to server, and same path we can go over here, and we can have SQL SH. Okay, and after that describes key spaces. It will give key spaces means what are the table names. Okay, this is the query to create the table. Okay, and use means we can use that particular one, and after that we can create the tables. Okay, insert data, and we can do select star from table name, those things. Okay, first we'll go into the portal. Okay, portal we have admin. Okay, admin will can enable the services. Okay, services, no, what it will take some time because it connects to Cassandra and lot of things are running Android, those things. Okay, here services we can add, we can view the services. Okay, because the project will be, the video will be very lengthier. Okay, so we will be adding this services. Okay, here services we already add. Services are nothing but water heater. In that so many types are there. Water heater, Havels, Bajaj. Okay, so many things are there. It will be added in the products. Okay, here um, okay, it has to connect to Cassandra and come back, so it will take time. Okay, here water bottle we are going to add. Okay, water bottle. Okay, where we take this one, Milton water bottle. Okay, Milton water bottle, sorry for that. forget to give enter. I think Milton water bottle, Welter water bottle. It is a piece, one single piece. Okay, quantity one. Rate is 700 something. Okay, for this NFC tag we'll give a tag called 1. Okay, in mobile app we will be having for NFC tag. NFC is nothing but near field communication. We are a tag when comes near to your mobile with enabled NFC, then it will get detected and it will be um, it can be validated. Okay, go to image. Okay, here we have an image called water bottle already downloaded. Okay, add that one, submit this one. Okay, in backend you can see. No. Okay, put CLS. I think we lost the SQL SH, I think. So what we'll do, okay, add SQL SH to check the database. Okay, it is ready. Then we have to give use. Okay, and after that select star from item details. We are going to check whether these items which you are adding, right, is inserted over there. You can see that Milton water bottle will be inserted and a hash key will be provided to it. Okay, go to the table, it is inserted. Go to view items. Okay, it will display what are the products. Two products are there, right, that will be getting displayed over there. Okay, this is the base configuration of the project. Okay, depending upon particular services like water bottles, heater, okay, water household items, water sofas, furniture, those things, everything can be added. Okay, in that particular with different models with prices, with a single quantity or how the buy it is boxed. Okay, like that it can be added. Okay, I think the products are retrieved. Okay, here if you go here, I think it will get take time some time. Okay, here see background. Okay, QR image. Okay, will get generated. Okay, and it will be stored somewhere else. We will be scanning this one. Okay, if you can sort out the one only water bottle. Okay, it will get sorted out. Okay, these features these features are given when we have a lot of products with the name or service, we can able to sort it down. Okay, okay, it is sorted out. Okay, here there is QR image and the tag ID is there. Okay, sign out. Okay, come back to user. We are, if you want you can register a new user. I have a new old user. Okay, okay, or else you can have um, Hari. Okay, J as a new user. Okay, Chennai Hari. For Hari we have smaller letter. Okay, we register the user. Okay, where the user goes means it will be in the tab of personal details. Okay, go to Cassandra and see. Sorry. Hari. Okay, is the first user. So here registration is done. We take Hari. Okay, as username and password. For simplicity you can have it as a complex one. Okay, after registration this Hari, what he is doing, right, he is able to purchase a product. Okay, whatever it is displayed according to his rules. Okay, system is slow so it is taking because it needs high-end configuration. Here what we choose now, we choose a water bottle. okay, to purchase. Here also the same, it can be more items are there, it can be filtered with the help of services and those things. Okay, here we select. Okay, here we will be having a QR code. Okay, QR code and NFC tag. Here quantity is what we are going to book the product. Okay, if you want, here itself you can scan that this QR code and we can find it out in the mobile app. Okay, I will show once again after once the web application process is done. Okay, from shopping cart. Okay, for book item. Okay, leave that one. Go to view orders. Okay, then shopping cart we need to go with it. We will see where the orders are there. Okay, here the in cart the product is displayed. Okay, here if you before making payment or what, you can go there to the Android. Okay, and we can before that we can check the project product is original or not. Okay, here then we go to Android application. Okay, here if you see, maximize this window. Here we can run this application. Okay, here Android application, how it is connected means it is connected to mobile with the help of USB debugging. Okay, and after that the services. Okay, the services is running over here. It is a RESTful web services. Okay, which connects with Cassandra. Okay, Cassandra connector connects this one. Okay, and it will be like this, the value from the mobile. Okay, the services will be triggered. Okay, we'll see here how it connects to mobile. We'll take the first we will take the IP address, IPv4 config. Okay, which Wi-Fi it is connected, we will be placing it over here in the constant.java file. Okay, which is present in the constant. Okay, and after that we will run the project. Okay, it will be displayed in the mobile as such. Okay, um, okay, as such it will be displayed. We'll see how to okay, as such it will be displayed. Before that we will see how it connected with the help of Wally framework. Okay, to the services. From here it connects to the, from mobile it connects to the services. Okay, with the help of the IP address which is provided in the constant.java file with the help of web services. Okay, now in mobile we go here, already we have registration we done. Okay, so I type the username and password. Okay, and we log in over there. Okay, what happens if you see, we can clear the, we will clear the logs. Okay, okay, sorry, when I go to Android, see here, usually nowadays we are not able to get the NFC tags. Okay, not available in the markets. Okay, um, it is difficult only, but anyway it is good we having. If we click, see here, it is changed to the different screen after doing a authentication. Okay, if you see here the connected to some cluster, and the data will be fetched over here with the help of, and we get the response. By this way it is getting connected. Okay, to Cassandra. Okay, here we have this, these are the services. Okay, like get data. Okay, and we have another services like put data for insert, and some services like insert. Okay, encrypted data. Okay, multipart, delete data, update data, insert data, like that we have. Okay, it will be called from the mobile. Now we go to the mobile, we will see the profile data. If you see here, what is the username, password. Okay, what is the IMA ID back. Okay, and we go to write tag. Here if you see, we can write the NFC tags. If you bought, we cannot able to see these NFC tags. Okay, we have the NFC tag over here. Okay, We are taking from the laptop, so it will not be viewed. Okay, I will show it here. Read tag. Okay, read tag. If you see here, NFC is enabled in the mobile. Okay, if you go to, before that, what you have to do now, you have to go to settings. Okay, you can see here, you have to search NFC in the settings. Okay, that is NFC like this. Okay, NFC, sorry, NFC. Okay, you can follow in the mobile. And after that, if NFC is there in their hardware, okay, if you see NFC is there in the hardware, NFC ACS, and then what you have to do now, you go to use NFC. Here you have to use this, use NFC. Okay, it should be enabled. And after that, you have to go to your mobile app. Okay, and I will tap one card. Okay, that is 1001. Okay, 1001, what is the product? We are not going to purchase this product. Okay, there is a different card. Okay, actually want the card tag 1. Okay, what happens when the product is picked up? Okay, for delivery, see, this tag is correct. Okay, when we receive the, when we see the product, okay, in that this tag will be there. And after that, the 1000, see here, the value is 1000. Here we are verifying this is a good product or not. See, your product is original. Okay, then you can click back. Okay, and what you are now, you can go to your website. Okay, and pay. Okay, in pay we have different options. Okay, that is something called PayPal ID or Google Pay ID. Okay, something here you can see, you can click any of the options and click on proceed. Okay, it is a dummy payment gateway. Okay, it will get proceeded. Okay, it is updating the booking details. Okay, and after that, okay, there are no records. You go to view orders. Okay, what are the orders which was done by Hari? You can able to view the orders over there. It will take time, but it is a good project. Okay, NFC and a QR code which is done in the mobile. Okay, see here, you can able to click here. Now we are going to, already what we seen, we saw only we read NFC code and check. Now we are going to scan QR. Okay, like this, the QR will be there. Okay, we'll go to the website. Okay, now we are going to scan this image. Okay, click on scan QR. Okay, use while using the app. Now it will get scanned. Okay, if you see in the mobile, it will be there again. I don't know how we would to show you. Okay, both, and I will try my level best. Okay, see here, see the mobile. Okay, like this, scan QR, like this will come. Okay, now you can see at the right, submit. Okay, here we see your product is original. Okay, then we can verify this project. Already we verified with the NFC tag and place the order. Okay, like this only the we can able to find out the fake product. Okay, with the help of Android mobile when we sign out the mobile. Okay, okay guys, thanks for watching this video, fake product identification system.